Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario on mobile. Playing your favorite plumber on the go is easier than ever. We will cover finding the official games, downloading them, and getting started with the controls. Get ready to jump into action and collect coins right from your smartphone or tablet. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the classic fun anytime, anywhere. The primary official Super Mario games for mobile are Super Mario Run and Mario Kart Tour. You can easily find both by searching in your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Simply tap, install, and the game will download. Make sure your device has at least 200 megabytes of free space and a stable internet connection for the initial setup. Super Mario Run features intuitive one-handed controls, where Mario automatically runs forward and you tap to jump. In Mario Kart Tour, you steer by sliding your finger left or right on the screen, and items are used with a simple tap. Mastering the timing of your jumps and drifts is key to achieving high scores and winning races. Practice makes perfect in both games. To truly master these mobile Mario adventures, always complete the in-game tutorials. They offer valuable insights into advanced moves. Don't forget to connect with friends for friendly competition in Mario Kart Tour or to compare scores in Super Mario Run. Exploring all the different game modes and challenges will keep the fun going for many hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.